the hard work and the spirit of perseverance.
As the saying goes, success is not the destination but the quality of our journey. Today, we celebrate the quality of these students' journeys. We had several outstanding nominees, each deserving of immense praise.
I request all the dignitaries to step forward to honor our students for their exceptional performance throughout the year on this amazing day.
Starting with grade 4th A. The best student of class 4th A is Shravan Yellappa Gargutti.
A budding leader with a bright future ahead. The best student of class 4B is Samyukta Satyata Kaujalgi.
Model for others. The best student of class 5th A is Pranvi Siddharth Uppar.
Turning every challenge into a stepping stone for the success. The best student of class 5B is Pandana Someshwar Madpadi.
Now moving to classes 6 to 10. Let's keep the energy high. Where dedication meets extraordinary effort. The best student of class 6A is Gautam Hanmat Gadadi. Stay inspired.
Leading with a sharp mind and a kind heart. The best student of class 6B is Samat Mahadev Kaujalgi.
A perfect blend of academic brilliance and great character. The best student of class 7A is Rohini Nirvani. Stay consistent and true.
A glowing example of curiosity and brilliance. The best student of class 7B is Karthik Sodagi. Keep moving forward.
For showing tireless commitment to excellence, the best student of class 8A is Shraddha Sonwalkar. Keep striving for greatness.
A versatile student with an inspiring and positive spirit. The best student of class 8B is Vidyashri Birnal. Continue your journey of growth.
A student who defines perseverance and success. The best student of class 9 is Shreya Naikar. Keep it up.
For a deep-rooted passion for learning and an unwearying commitment. The best student of class 10 is Neha Sankli. Stay motivated for the road ahead. of footsteps echo through these hallways. But every once in a long while, a set of footsteps leaves a trail that rest of us can't help but follow.
Today, we arrive at the most anticipated moment of the evening. The Student of the Year award isn't just about the highest marks on a paper, it's about the highest standard of character. It's about the person who balances the grind of the library with the grace of a helping hand.
The Sri Srinivas School Student of the Year award goes to Aditi Suyanawar. Give her a huge round of applause.
Another successful year at Sri Srinivas Schools, it is time to turn our spotlight towards the pinnacle of academic dedication.
It is now time to honor the shining stars of our school, the top achievers of the 2024-25 board examination. These students haven't just passed an exam, they have set a benchmark for excellence through their perseverance and focus.
In the third place, with an excellent score of 87%, congratulations Anaga Swami. Securing the second position with a brilliant 88%. Let's hear it for Padmaj Deshpande. In the third place, with an excellent score of 87%, congratulations Anaga Swami. Securing the second position with a brilliant 88%. Let's hear it for Padmaj Deshpande. And finally, our overall topper, achieving a phenomenal 90%. Please put your hands together for Fatima Attar. I request the parents or students to receive the award. So right, while we take pride in our best students today, our stars are also shining brightly on much larger stages.
We are thrilled to share some incredible news from the CBSE cluster level sports meet. Our school girls team displayed amazing teamwork and grit, securing a fantastic third place. As I announce them, let's give them a huge round of applause for bringing home the trophy.
Shraddha Somalkar,
Supriya Kayakur,
Shrishti Charanti,
Sonia Tamburi,
Tanvi Reddy,
Kritika Devar,
Nikita Madganavar,
Navya Kalatti,
Nikita Pujeri,
Rashmi Reddy Reddy.
The winning strike doesn't stop there. In a recent inter-school competition, one of our students truly found her voice.
He stood out among many talented speakers to win the third place in the speech competition.
Whether it is on the field or behind the podium, our students are proving that they are ready to take on the world. Give her a huge round of applause.
On 28th of December, and our students have brought home a shining trail of glory. Put your hands together as I announce our winner. I request dignitaries to kindly do the honors.
Preetham S. Patil secured second place in Kata.
Sampath Yari Galadi secured second place in Kata.
Amruta A. Reddy secured third place in Kata and third place in selected.
Prithviraj J. Aksar, secured third place in Kata.
Congratulations to all the winners. You have made us all very proud.